Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing very well. Long time no see again, I know. I kid you not, I bought this tool in 2019 and I never used it because A, I really didn't know how to use it, and B, I knew it gave that like crimped hair look, which I'm not the biggest fan of, so I felt like I just wasted money and it was sitting in my drawer for all these years. That is until I learned how to use it the right way to give myself these natural looking waves and to fake this like wavy mermaid Shakira hair that I'm obsessed with. So that's what I'm going to show you guys how to do in today's video. So I got this off of Amazon. I'll have it linked down below, but I know you can get it at like Sephora, Ulta. They are pretty pricey though. So like I said, I'll link the one that I purchased down below. The key for me to making this look as natural as possible is to do it on brushed out hair, and it's second day hair, so it's not too clean to where it won't hold the wave, but it's not too dirty either to where we can't enjoy it for a couple days. So second day hair is perfect, and I just brush it all out. And we're gonna start off with a section like this big, so like a 1-inch section, and I want to alternate the sizes as well because that also is gonna help us make it look natural. So I grab about this much hair and toss the rest back. After playing around with this, I realized that the trick is to clamp the hair with the plate on the outside, not with the barrels on the outside. So I'm going to show you guys. I clipped my hair up so you guys could see better, but we're going to start out like this. So you want to clamp down about 1 inch away from your root. You clamp the hair and then you just slightly push up. You literally just move the wand up a little bit, and for whatever reason, holding it up like this and like pushed towards the root, it helps give you a lot more volume and a better wave. And then I let it go, move down, do it again, and then push up. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys how the wave will look if you do it with the barrels on the outside, so you can understand what I mean. It just looks like a much more cleaner wave, a lot more put together. This one is a lot more wavy than this one, especially up top. You can definitely alternate as well, but it still won't look as natural as if you do it only with like the plate side on the outside. I grabbed a slightly bigger section this time, so hold the hair out, and remember, plate on the outside, clamp down, push slightly up. Okay, this wave does a much better job at showing you guys why holding the hair up and having the plate on the outside helps to create that more voluminous, beachy looking wave. So now that I've said that about 50 times, let's finish doing the rest of my hair. Another reason why I absolutely love this hairstyle is because it takes me like 10 minutes to do. I'm curious to know how everyone else's 2023 has been going, because mine started out really great, and then it went really bad, really quick. What is life? Sometimes you just gotta laugh. Once we get to this top part of the hair, this is where sectioning it off the right way is really gonna help us with that volume. So I'm not gonna just grab like a piece from the back here. What I'm gonna do is take my finger and just come straight from the back into the hair and section a little piece off from the bottom of it, like so. So you see, I took a little piece off straight down.
I hope that made sense. Please let me know if it doesn't.
Finger, just poke a straight line through and section it off.
And one more time.
Not only is this such a cute hairstyle, but it is an incredible arm workout as well. My arms are on fire! So I'm gonna finish up this last piece and then I'm gonna speed through the other side. Now that the first side is done, I'm gonna lightly spray it with some hairspray. This is the Tresemme regular hairspray. I got it from Walmart because I ran out of my Elnet satin one and I've had this one just sitting around, so. So aside from hair videos, I would love to know, what do you guys enjoy watching on YouTube? Is it makeup videos? Is it hair videos? Is it like podcasts? I feel like everybody's starting a podcast lately. I've been thinking about starting one, but the thing is, I get really, really anxious about putting things out on the internet. This little section right here, you can tell it didn't really wave properly. Barrel side out this time. Clamp that little section down. Perfect! So waves are done. Obviously, you can leave it like this, or to make it look a little more messy and natural, you want to flip your hair upside down, hit it with hairspray all over one more time, and then judge the roots up a bit to kind of just like tease it, make it bigger, and create like some slight frizz, which helps us achieve that natural big hair look. I like to leave my hair down like this until all the hairspray dries, and then we begin zhuzhing. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to achieve these messy mermaid waves. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. And please feel free to leave any video requests or ideas that you have in the comments. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!